If you have an online store and struggling with how to write product descriptions for your store, then this video is for you. Because in it, I'm going to show you how you can write compelling product descriptions for your online store. And I'll specifically show you how you can do this using ChatGPT. Without wasting further time, let's jump right in. To get started, all what you need to do is head over to chat.openai.com and it will bring you to the ChatGPT interface. By the way, if you are new to ChatGPT, I have a video link in the description that will show you how you can use ChatGPT as a beginner. To write your compelling product description, all what you need to do is give ChatGPT a prompt right here. For this demonstration, I'm going to use this prompt that says, I need you to act as an e-commerce expert. Then write me a compelling product description on the product. Then you enter the name of the product you want ChatGPT to write for you. As an example, I'm going to enter iPhone 13 Pro Max. Then I hit enter. Then ChatGPT will begin to write the product description. And awesome, we are there. And the description says, prepare to embark on a journey of technological marvels with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the epitome of excellence in smartphone engineering. With its sleek design, powerful performance and cutting-edge features, this flagship device from Apple redefines what it means to own a premium smartphone. Going down, let's see more features. But the iPhone 13 Pro Max is more than just a device, it's a lifestyle. With 5G capability, you can stay connected at blazing fast speeds, whether you are streaming content, downloading files, or video calling loved ones from across the globe. This is cool. So this is just one prompt we have entered that has given us this product description, which is kind of cool and compelling. If you are finding value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out so that the video will be suggested to more people on YouTube and also benefit more people. Alright, let's continue. Now I'm going to start a new chat. And this time around, I'm going to go ahead and enter a different prompt. The first part of this prompt is containing the first prompt we entered earlier and is coming with a second part that says, please take into account the following features. So it's going to write a product description on a particular product, and then the prompt will include some features of that particular product. So now let's head over to Amazon.com. Let's just get a random product. Maybe I want to talk about this microphone, and the name of this product is Logitech Blue Yeti USB microphone. So I'll just copy it. Coming back to ChatGPT, I enter it right here. I don't really need for creators. So it's going to be Logitech Blue Yeti USB microphone. Now let's go back to the product and get some features of the product. So it's having a custom 3 capsule array. I'll copy this, come back here, I'll enter it as feature 1. Going back, I'll also add Blue Voice software. I paste it at feature 2. Going back, I pick 4 pickup patterns. Going back, I have onboard audio controls. To get to the next line, make sure you press down the shift key on the keyboard, then you press enter. Otherwise, if you press only enter, it will send the prompt. I paste in the 4th feature. Going back, let's see what we have. Maybe I'll add plug and play. I copy it. Going back, press shift, then hit enter to get to the next line, then paste. All is set. I press enter. Let's see what ChatGPT will do for us. This is incredible. Already I'm seeing the features I've just entered in the product description. Elevate your audio game to professional levels with the Logitech Blue Yeti USB microphone. Designed for content creators, streamers, musicians, and podcasters alike, this microphone is a gateway to studio quality sound in the comfort of your own space. This is kind of cool. So this is how easy it is to write product descriptions for your online store using ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you are not only limited to writing product descriptions for only physical products. You can as well use ChatGPT to write product descriptions for digital products. Let me show you how. If I open a new chat, then I'll go ahead and enter in any of my prompts. Then I replace the name of the product. I have a digital product which is a template. I'll enter in the name. The name of the product is Simple Cashbook Template in Excel. I'll just go ahead and hit enter. Let's see what we'll get from ChatGPT. Already I'm seeing some of the features of my digital products. Perfect. In the dynamic realm of modern business, keeping track of your finances is paramount to success. Introducing our Simple Cashbook Template in Excel, the ultimate solution designed to streamline your financial management effortlessly. So why choose Simple Cashbook Template? One, it is easy to use, it is customizable, it will also give you comprehensive insights, and there's also a reliable customer support when you purchase the product. This is awesome. One thing you should take notice is that ChatGPT may not give you all the features of your product, or it may even try to add some more other features to the product. So all what you need to do is have a copy of the text in any text editor, then you go ahead and fine tune it to your needs. There you have it. That's it on how you can write compelling product descriptions for your online store. Now if you want to write blog posts for your website without hassle, make sure you stick around to watch this video on your screen right now. This is a video where I walk you through step by step how you can write blog posts that can rank better on search engines. Keep watching and I'll see you in that video.